Pregnancy, which men can't experience but can definitely support their pregnant partner from the beginning of pregnancy, can definitely share the joy together as well as help her to make this journey more memorable and healthy. So in this particular video, I'm going to share with you the 5 tips on how to support your partner in pregnancy. This is a series for that. This is the part 1. The more tips will come in upcoming videos. So stay tuned. Hi mums and cute babies, welcome to iCare Baby. Myself is SM. I make videos related to parenting, pregnancy and baby care. If you are new to my channel, then definitely click subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update from iCare Baby. Help iCare Baby to reach out to 10,000 subscribers. Number 1. Express your feelings and happiness because actions speak louder than the words. So definitely let her know that how much you love her, and even though in pregnancy she goes through a lot of body changes, you will still love her the way she is and will be. Your sweet gesture of love will definitely make her happy, and if wife is happy, then your life is happy too. Number 2. Pay attention to her growing needs, concern as well as her health. Make sure that she is eating healthy and taking prenatals on time. Help her to adjust with the new changing life. Number 3. It's important for a partner to understand what women go through during pregnancy. So check out my video on what to expect in pregnancy as well as do's and don'ts in pregnancy. I have mentioned the link in description box below. Number 4. Always be with her in all her OB appointments for her comfort as well as you will get to know more about your baby too. Number 5. Women go through a lot of emotions during pregnancy. So be her emotional support and try to keep her happy and calm. To all the dads, if you have any questions related to parenting, then definitely mention that in comments down below. I would like to read those as well as reply the same. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update from iCare Baby. Till then, ciao!